Hello, everyone. Today, we'll dive into a powerful color conversion tool. Let's explore the code behind this tool and understand how it works in just 1 minute. As you can see, we have a simple HTML structure with input fields and a button. The magic happens in the JavaScript. Let's break it down. We begin with a color input field. Users can enter color codes, and we have a live preview of the color displayed below. Next, we have an output format dropdown. The options dynamically adapt based on the detected input format. The detect color format function intelligently identifies the input color format, be it hex, RGB, or HSL. The update output format dropdown function dynamically updates the output format dropdown, excluding the detected format for a smoother user experience. The handle convert function takes care of the conversion process. It checks input validity, detects the color format, and converts it to the selected output format. That's all. Feel free to use and customize the code for your projects. Happy coding!